What's up guys? It's been a long time since I posted anything bush related, but yeah, we're back at my favorite place. Been coming here with my brother, oh man, since about the 90s. This place has been here for a very long time. So his son's on school holidays right now and he's taken leave, so we just did a last minute quick excursion to the bush. I'll tell you, yeah, they are, yeah. You happy, boy? What's it like being in the bush?
Much better.
Much better, you hear that? And I've been camping here for so many years. I've never actually stayed in one of their chalets. So yeah, let me tell you, as a camper, being able to actually stay in a chalet and do minimal packing and stuff, it's a blessing. I'll take you inside and have a look-see. It's neat, it's tidy, it has everything we need. So we've got the double downstairs, the bathroom, small little kitchenette, but neat and tidy. We have all the cutlery, dishwashing liquid, microwave, fridge, and then upstairs is the little loft area where I'll be sleeping. So there's another single bed upstairs. And I'll tell you what, what a change from camping, man. I haven't stayed in a chalet in so many years, and the view from here is awesome. There's loads of animals. Yeah, so we're gonna do a quick little ride in the bucky, go have a look-see around, and then have a little afternoon session fishing. Cool, stay tuned.
And unfortunately, my favorite person at Ezemvelo, Letta, went on short leave the day of our arrival.
I'm gonna watch them holes.
There's a big one to your right.
I know.
Oh, there's that herd of baby eland. That's the big boys. Hot bears. Black and blue bears. Right, so we're down at the hiker's hut. This is actually very secluded. It's beautiful down here. And I'll show you now what's going on. I mean, you can just see around me. It is awesome here. Beautiful. Very secluded, a rather fair distance away from reception. But yeah, now let me just show you what the constant maintenance is, simply because of the baboons. So, I mean, you can see here what they do to the thatch roofs. They pull off the chicken wire. You can see here. So you can see the maintenance crews have been back here. They've got all their stuff ready to repair. But yeah, so this is like a constant ongoing battle with the maintenance of everything. Oh, yeah, let me tell you, those were some big ass baboons we just saw. Right, so we just got back from a little drive. Loads of animals. So we rode through a troop of baboons, and I'm telling you now, some of those boys were huge. Something I'd never want to come across face to face. But anyway, down at the pool, it's looking divine. I mean, I'm sweating balls, can't wait to climb in this thing. So yeah,
Wait, it's actually not heavy deep here.
already in.
Yeah.
It's still hot and it's late afternoon. After this, we're gonna go hit the fish down at the small dam and see if we can catch anything, and then head back to Chalet and start a fire and cook some steak.
Deep here. No.
Now that's some good water after a hot day in the bush.
It's too shallow for me to dive.
That's
Yeah, no, don't
perfect.
dive, just do a bomb.
Okay.
Come, do a bomb.
Oh, that's too heavy. And I'm being honest, it was like too heavy.
first fish of the day on a frog. Get him, boy, get him. That's a good fish. Nice, on the frog. That's a good fish. I told you they,
Come stand it on me.
You stand. Oh, this looks a lot clearer than mine. You'll go. There he goes. Well done.